how you learned what happiness and joy was all about while you're growing up. Socialization is really important in helping us be healthy adults, and how you're socialized early on has a big impact on how you live your life today. Now, happiness is the fun and joy, the experiences that you have that are similar to what adults are experiencing. For example, if you go to an amusement park, that's fun, that's enjoyment, right? You may love cycling, you may skiing or love cooking. Those are all similar experiences and talents and abilities that we have. Some of us have gifts for them, natural talents, and some of us have to work for them. Now, when we are repeatedly praised as a child for the things that we're learning while we're growing up, what happens is that we tend to believe that that's something that we're going to do as we grow up. In other words, if you were always praised for having a clean room, then more likely you're going to be wanting to have a clean room when you're an adult. This isn't always true. We can't predict how the adult brain is going to be based on what the child is experiencing until they're adult, because we integrate things differently. What I do know is that what you like right now as an adult is directly related to what you liked as a child, because you can't like something today that you haven't liked before. What that simply means is that on this journey, we pick up these different things that we experience, and we either like them or dislike them. And all of those experiences create who we are. And so our likes and dislikes are always based on previous experiences.